Hello viewers, my name is Kuldeep Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Skills. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and please do hit the bell icon for latest updates. Hello viewers, if any one of you is interested in taking online or offline training, you can contact me on the number given on screen. You can call me or you can send me a WhatsApp message. Also, you can check my number in description of video. Thank you very much.
Hello viewers, welcome again to this new PLC tutorial session. In this session, we will cover some more practice examples encounters. So let's start with the question number 4 that you can see on your screen. An output A gets on and off using same push button. We have an output that is getting on and off with the same push button. So let's see the solution. So I'm talking about an push button that is getting that we are getting making it on and off, and you're getting the output. So if we see it like this, suppose I have input and an output. So if what generally we need is, I'm just letting you know that if I force on and force off, this means I press and release it, output should remain on. If I press it again, then this output should get off. So I want this solution. So what I have to do is, we'll do it with the help of counters. So I will take a counter, the counter, and preset. Suppose if you want to take a preset, you can. If you want to leave it, you can leave it. Secondly, we will take a compare block, equal to block, and I will use a accumulator and 1. So when our counter equals to 1, then an output gets on. Output gets on. If I okay, let me do this much only first, then I will proceed. Let's check this much program. See, when you press this, force on, force off, output gets on. With the push button, when you press and release this push button, output gets on. When you press and release this again, output gets off. We have got the solution, but it should repeat also. If I do it again, it should work. Now it's not working. You can see. So to repeat it, we need the counter to get reset. So I will make this counter reset. I will take another compare equal to 2. When it is equal to 2, our counter should get 0. So I will go to a move block and I will put a 0 over here and accumulator over here. So when counter is equal to 2, this will move 0 in this accumulator. So I have to use equal to block. I by mistake I have used a not equal to block. Okay, now let me check. When you press this input first time, output gets on. When you press it again, output gets off. When you press it again, output gets on. You can see this is working again and again. So when you press counter is equal to 1, when counter is equal to 1, output gets on. When second time you press, counter is equal to 2. When it equals to 2, what is doing is it is just making this counter reset. It is just moving this 0 value in the counter accumulator. Now counter is getting reset. So this our program is working again and again. So this is the solution for question number 4, program number 4. So next is question number 5. When start push button is pressed, output A gets on. When same push button is pressed again, output B gets on. When same push button is pressed again, output C gets on. This process repeats again and again until stop push button is pressed. So let's see the solution. So whenever we have a program like this where we have using a same push button and we have a multiple outputs, then we need to use a counter. Okay, so we'll use a counter over here. So we have to use a counter for this type of programs. So let's see the solution. So I will take input, then a counter, then a counter C5 0. We need to take a preset. So I will take a compare block equal to 1 C5 colon 0 dot ACC. So when the counter is equal to 1 means you press it first time, then an output gets on. So output A. Okay. Similarly, when you press it second time, then counter is equal to 2. So we'll take a equal to 2 second time, then output gets on again. Okay, A. Now this is B, and again when you press, again you have to take a compare. Third time, then you take output, that is a C. Okay, so right now we have taken a 3 outputs. Let's check this much program first. When you when you press it first time, output A gets on. Press it second time, output B gets on, A gets off. When you press it third time, output C gets on, B gets off. And this should repeat again and again. You can see this is not repeating because I have made this much of a program. This should repeat again and again means you have to reset it again and again. So you have to reset again. So what you have to do is you have to take another equal to over here, equal to 4. Then you have to take a move logic as we have taken in the last question. So I will use source 1 because again you have to make the first output on. So I have taken it 1, and I have to use a stop push button. So I will take a input and a reset to stop the output, stop all outputs. So I will take input, this is stop, suppose, okay, and I will take a reset and give a addressing of the counter over here, so that whenever I press this input, output counter should get reset and all output should get off. Okay, let's download the program and check the answer. When you press it first time, he gets on. When you press it second time, B gets on. When you press it third time, C gets on. Again when you press it, you can see output is repeating again and again. And again B, and then again C. So it gets repeated again and again till stop push button is pressed. So this is the stop push button. When you press it, you can see all outputs get solved. So this is the solution for this program number 5. So for this session, this much is there, 4 and 5 examples. Okay, just keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you very much.
Hello viewers, if any one of you is interested in taking online or offline training, you can contact me on the number given on screen. You can call me or you can send me a WhatsApp message. Also you can check my number in description of video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest updates. Please give this video thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also please comment below how do you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you very much.